Welcome to Tech Tutor, your ultimate guide to mastering technology, one step at a time. Here's a quick tip. Did you know you can create high-quality voiceovers with ChatGPT, even if you can't afford tools like 11 Labs? It's a game changer for content creators. In today's video, we'll show you how to create voiceovers for free using ChatGPT, a step-by-step guide. So grab your device, sit back, and let's get started. First of all, open your browser and then open ChatGPT. You can enter any prompt of your choice. I'm going to use a prompt like, write a short story. Now here is the story. You can click on the speaker icon below to play the audio.
The Lighthouse Keeper's Legacy. On the edge of a rugged coastline, the old lighthouse stood against the battering winds. Henry, the last of...
To change the audio to any other voices, click on your profile and select Settings. Then, click on Speech. There are 9 available voices you can use. Let's try another voice and see how it sounds.
Hey, what's up? Feel free to ask me about anything that's on your mind. I'm ready.
This is how the new voice we just selected sounds like.
The Lighthouse Keeper's Legacy. On the edge of a rugged coastline, the old lighthouse stood against the battering winds. Henry, the last of the lighthouse keepers, had spent 50 solitary years guiding...
If you want to paste your own prompt, for example, let me copy this prompt and paste it into GPT. Now, type, repeat the same thing, and then add the exact prompt you want to generate the audio for. Now you can see it has repeated exactly what I pasted.
As he touched it, memories not his own flooded his mind. Images of ships.
There is no download button available, so to download the audio, open a tool like OBS Studio Recorder to record the sound as it plays. To record, click on Start Recording. This will record everything on your screen but in a video format. Now play the audio to the end and save the recording.
As he touched it, memories not his own flooded his mind.
Open any video editor of your choice to convert the video into audio. So now I'm going to import the video I just recorded. This is what it sounds like.
The Lighthouse Keeper's Legacy. On the edge of a rugged coastline, the old lighthouse stood against the battering winds.
We are now going to export the audio. To do this, click on Export. At the export options, we don't need the video, so we will disable the video option and enable only the audio. As you can see, we now have only the audio here. You can now click on Export to quickly save the audio. Then you can use the audio for whatever video project you want. Thank you for watching.